So what's the Irish for nettles?
Shaw.
So that's Colfai. Colfai is what my father says from Glencombe Irish in Donegal. And it comes from the word cal, which means cabbage, and faiche, which means kind of lawn or greenery. So Colfai is the Irish for nettles. And the pronunciation of that, Gaeilge arhu, Abraham Shiki Nachwaltu, Ichir Conal, Durs Dunyanchak go Nabrid Shid Kulai, Dori, August Durs Dunyanchak Delingi Dor, Nabrid Shid Kulfai. So, Arhiansha. Main word, I suppose, the most well-known word for nettle in the Irish language is Nyantog. So that's a lovely word too. And that's said in Donegal as well, as far as I know in places. And Nantog was said in Minawanya and Glenties as well as Nyantog, I saw in the book from the dialect of Donegal. So, Kulfai, agus ma churn to the lawer, na jana, ta dawan or ta gahon, there's a burn in it. So, Nyantog or Kulfai. Gaeilge sa Dúlra.